Hi. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to set a custom ringtone on your Samsung M47. I'll also show you how to change the default ringtone to any other sound you like. And most importantly, you won't need to install any additional apps.